What if I told you a single flash in space can release more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime? This is called a gamma-ray burst, the most powerful explosion ever discovered in the universe, capable of outshining entire galaxies for a few seconds. These bursts happen when either two neutron stars collide or when a massive star collapses into a black hole, sending out powerful jets of energy at nearly the speed of light. And here's the terrifying part. If one of those jets were aimed directly at Earth, it could destroy our atmosphere in seconds. Some scientists even believe a gamma-ray burst may have caused a mass extinction millions of years ago. The scariest thing is, we can't predict them. They appear suddenly from billions of light years away. But the good news is most of them happen very far from us, because the universe is incredibly vast. Still, somewhere out there right now, a gamma-ray burst could be exploding, lighting up the cosmos with a power beyond imagination.